Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a unique watch face that's worthy of a download. Stay tuned. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome unique watch face to check out that's worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. Now, it's by my gallery. The name of the watch face is called Tourbillion Ring. Very unique way to tell time, and I'm loving it. Now, in the always on mode, it looks just as good. I'm loving the look and the style of that one as well, but when it's on, let's talk about it. Now, you get a unique way to tell time. You get the best of both worlds, which I like. Now, this blue ring right here represents your minutes that it's going to cover, and right here, the orange one is going to cover your hour, and in the middle, you got a little animation going on there that adds a little bit of character to the watch face. You got your digital time at the bottom, which means you get the best of both worlds. You get your days of the week, you get your month over here, and you also can single tap turn that into 24 hours or 12 hours or whatever you may have it on. I'm quite sure most of you all would like that one. And if I double tap, I can customize the color theme of the watch face, and they're all beautiful. They're all very nice. They all stand out. I'm telling you, this is definitely worth a download in the Gear Manager store. Make sure you check this out, ladies. That's a nice color for you. Another one. All right, you all, hit the like button on the way out if you like the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.